this will be a small ride around of the 2016, I guess, KTM Duke 390. This belongs to a friend of mine, and he did mention that the suspension, the back suspension, is kind of damaged, and it will be replaced soon. So I'm just gonna go for a small ride. Here's a small walk around of it, and enjoy the ride. I'm gonna enjoy the ride. I'm nervous and excited at the same time because it's a 390. It's this old one, not the new one. The new one is apparently more tame and controllable, and this is supposed to be a madman. What scares me the most is that the low fuel gauge, and this is a fuel injected version. I can't use a reserve mode, and already I could tell you that this is uncomfortable. Are pretty slow, and before I continue this video, I just want to say that do not ride fast on public roads. If you are going to go fast, make sure that you take precautions that there are no other street vehicles or pedestrians around. Always ride safe. Don't take me as an example. I'm not the best example, and yeah, ride safe, okay? Now with that out of the way, it's time for me to enjoy. I can hear pops and cracks from the exhaust. I mean, not that loud, but don't worry, man, you'll be overtaken soon. Man, I couldn't push as much as I could do back a few days ago because one, there's a lot of traffic here, and two, the road is very bumpy, so I could really feel my helmet being lifted up. So it's not great at that department either in terms of airflow. I mean, not airflow, wind resistance. My helmet started to actually lift up. Yeah, it does. That's the beauty of a naked bike. That wind blast is extreme, man, extreme. Stabilization off on the oh me. Come on, delay. Oh man, oh my legs are being boiled right now. Fuck. And the fan kicked in. I'm not sure if it's still there. It's still there. So fuck. Fuck. In the churara. Shit. പുക വരണ്ട എന്നിട്ടൊക്കെ കരിയുന്ന മണം കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. സസ്പെൻഷൻ പോയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അത് കാരണം ഒരു സുഖമില്ല ഓടിക്കാൻ. throttle response is too jerky and thick real balls of steel to ride absolutely fast on these kind of roads, especially with a broken suspension, and it's not a comfortable experience. It's like a toy that you enjoy sometimes, but not always one you want to keep. So it is definitely a fast bike and a mental bike. It's kind of good and bad that the new Duke 390 is much more refined and user friendly, because one, it's more accessible, the power is more accessible. Now I'm in third gear and going 35, the engine is shaking and doing that clatter thingy, I mean quite a lot, because it's not really designed to go slow. Riding through here it's difficult because you gotta keep it at low speeds and at high gear. Else, one, if I go in second gear, it's gonna be high revving and the throttle is gonna be very jerky, engine braking. And if it's in the third gear, it's gonna clatter. I mean, do that thing where you're in a low gear and at a low RPM. And as of now, for some reason, it doesn't show which gear it was. Now it's in third. For some reason, in second, it doesn't recognize that it's in second. And it's really big exercise riding this normally, because you're fighting the bike in a way. And to me, it's awesome, but and awesome that I would really love to experience once a while or so, not like a daily basis also. I'll stop somewhere around here and do just one more walk around and end the video here, because if I go any further I'll be in trouble. Here's what the bike looks like. It's the bike. It's a 2016 I guess, and looks great even in this paint scheme which has been there for like what, 3 or 4 years now. Looks really good. And it rides extremely fast and uncomfortable. So that's the short version of it. Anyways, that's all I have for this. Thanks for watching. Bye.